Hi guys, today I'll show you how to make this cute veil for my bunny, Tuotuo. Look how cute it is on his body. I will use a piece of yellow dot fabric and some lace tape to make it. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. First of all, let's draw the pattern on your preferred fabric. As the veil is double layered, we need 2 pieces of the body part and 4 pieces of the sleeves. Then we can cut the pieces out. When cutting the holes for the sleeves, we can use a circle cutter to make it perfect. Then, let's sew the sleeves onto the body. Make sure you sew all of the 4 pieces. Then, we make the 2 body parts together by sewing the outside with approximately 1 cm. Be sure to leave a hole so that we can turn it over. Now it's time to turn the inside out. Be careful to make all the corners neat and tight. Then we can prepare the edges to sew. Close the hole on the edge. Then we can sew the 2 sleeves together. Let's make the ribbon. Sew the other side of the strap and turn it inside out. I prefer to use hand stitch to sew the center and pull through so that the ribbon will look more naturally. You can add a little hook if you want to take your bunny outside. Place the ribbon and sew it onto the body. Then, sew a long piece of lace to the edge of the body. Place the button in the preferred position. Change the button foot for the sewing machine and sew the buttonholes. Cut out the holes. Place the buttons on the other side and sew them. Be sure to align them in the right position. Now we're done! Oh, by the way, Tuotuo is a boy.